Hi, I'm your vehicle's well-wisher and engine's protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show you how to flush your engine's oil completely for a smoother and better response with Magsol engine oil flush. Over extended oil change intervals, engines develop sludge and deposits that restrict oil flow. This causes increased engine friction, reduced efficiency, and rough performance. In case of a two-wheeler, make sure it is securely parked on stand. Warm the engine to normal operating temperature. Turn off engine. Add flush to old engine. Idle engine as directed. Drain oil and replace with fresh oil. Engine feels smoother and quieter, with improved response and better overall driving comfort. Use before every oil change or as recommended.